Hello everyone! Assalamualaikum! Another day, another vlog. For today's ganap, samahan niyo ako sa isang masayang araw kasama ang aking anak on her year-end party. Kaya tara, for the go! This video is a simple reminder that every school year is a journey. For today's ganap, nag-celebrate me sa year-end party sa school sa akong anak. Full of smiles, laughter, and happy memories. Seeing her enjoy this moment makes my heart so full. Of course, dili gyud mawala ang foods and gifts. Shared meals, small treats, and simple gifts na puno sa love. Dili man kinahanglan mahal, ang importante kay ang thought ug ang memories nga ilang madala pag-uli. From the decorations, the music, hangtod sa mga bata nga bit-bit ang gifts nila o nagdula, makita gyud nimo ang joy sa ilang mga mata. Simple ra ang party, pero dako kayo ang ilang kalipay. Moments like this reminds us na childhood is meant to be enjoyed. Watching them dance, sing, and smile on stage, makainumdum ka if unsa ka precious ang time. Each child did their best. Walay pressure, pure happiness lang. As a parent, proud kayo ko sa akong anak for being brave, confident, and joyful. To the teachers and staff, thank you for guiding our children all throughout this school year. Your patience, love, and effort made a big difference in their lives. Salamat kaayo sa tanang sakripisyo. Above all, we thank God for His guidance, protection, and blessings. Another school year completed, another chapter added to my child's journey. Oh Allah, we trust you with her future and all the dreams you placed in her heart. To my daughter, keep dreaming, keep smiling, and keep believing. Mom and Dad is always proud of you in any season of your life. This is not just a party, this is a memory we will treasure forever. Happy holidays everyone! Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Please like, follow, and share.